Welcome class 11 commerce. Today in this class I will discuss the types of retail trade first. So let's start with the types of retail trade. So as you can see, the retail trade or the retail traders may broadly be classified into two categories. So retailers are of two distinct categories. The first category are itinerant retailers, and the second one is fixed shops. So two types are given: itinerant retailers and fixed shops. Now, what are itinerant retailers? Retailers. Itinerant retailers refer to those retailers who have no fixed place of business. They move from one place to another. They don't have a fixed shop. They generally sell non-standardized items of daily use, and they start the business with a very small investment, with a very small capital. Small capital is required to open this business. This The product that they sell are very low priced and very substandard, very it's non-branded product they generally sell. This itinerant, this movable mobile retailers, they move from one place to another place and they don't have any fixed shop. Now we come to the second category, that is fixed shop retailers. Here also, in case of fixed shop retailers, there are two categories. Again, it can be subdivided into two categories. One is small scale, another is large scale. Small scale and large scale. Now, in small scale business, under small scale retailers comes the street stalls. We know street stalls. Then comes the second hand good shops, second hand goods shops. Also with this comes the single line stores, the specialty stores, the general stores, etc. comes under the small scale business. Um, and under the tea stall, the local tea stalls are also comes under small scale retail business. And then comes the large scale retail business. Under this comes departmental store, multiple shops, shopping malls, chain stores, etc., or mail order houses, then cooperative stores, super bazaar, supermarket, automatic vending machines, all these. So it comes the departmental stores, then comes the um, chain stores, automatic vending machines. All these I will explain to you one by one. Then also supermarkets like Big Bazaar, very well, Spencer's. All these are also retail trade, but they are a large scale form of retail trade. They are large scale form of retail trade. The Spencer's, the Big Bazaar that you have seen, the shopping malls, also the chain stores, like any showroom, any special showroom has been given by any product, that comes under the large scale category of these retail trade. Then also comes these mm, departmental store, also the cooperative stores are also there. And you know very well about these vending machines also. What are those vending machines? You have seen that there are certain kind of softy machines selling softy ice creams, or any coffee machines. You have seen automatically coffee out coming out of the machines if you insert any coin. So coffee or things like cold drinks, coffee, ice cream, softy ice creams come out with the insertion of coin, or you can see your weight automatically with the insertion of one coin. That are called automatic vending machine. You don't need any human being to operate, or maybe one person can operate that machine. One person can always be seated in that machine to operate that. So these type of business comes under this large scale category. And then again comes the small scale category. Street stalls, small tea stalls, then small stationaries, then the even the fuchka wala that we can see in the roadside, they also are um, small these the no they comes generally under these movable retailers. This is itinerant retailers. Now these are the category, two broad categories: itinerant and fixed shops. These are the fixed shops, these are itinerant. Now these itinerant retailers, that is, I talk about the street traders, the market trader, the cheap jacks, and the hawkers and the peddlers. Generally, uh, we can see them moving in a particular residential area. These I'm talking about these itinerant, movable, or mobile retailers. Generally, we find them in the in any very residential area, or in a very popular area where people where there is densely populated area. The street traders also come up with their shops temporarily. uh, Also we can see some stalls in the railway stations, in the bus stops. So those are also like street hawkers. They do have a fixed place in the station, but they can be termed as hawkers of the station, so they come under this itinerant. The Sunday Bazaar, the Mangal Bazaar, exact in North India, are very popular form of these itinerant traders. Then some street traders display their goods on the pavement in the busy street corners. They set up a wide shop temporarily, mainly in these areas. Or you can see in front of the cinema hall, in front of any kind of um, maybe any kind of school, any kind of college, you see some peddlers, moving from door to door, or from moving in front of any school. So those businessmen can also be called as itinerant retailers, because they normally choose a densely populated area in order to sell their product. And uh, they sell product on a daily basis. They have a very low investment, and normally they sell very low priced product. The product which has got a very low price. In details I will tell about these itinerant and fixed shops in my next class. So well, in my next class.